Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView like a pro. First, create your free account to unlock a powerful suite of charting tools. Next, personalize your workspace by adjusting chart layouts and color themes to suit your visual preferences. Then, build a focused watch list with your favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex pairs for instant monitoring. Finally, familiarize yourself with various chart types, such as candlesticks and bars, to analyze price action effectively. Now, let's dive into advanced charting. Apply popular technical indicators such as the 20-period moving average or the 14-period relative strength index to gain deeper insights. Practice drawing accurate trend lines and identifying crucial support and resistance zones. Use various drawing tools, like Fibonacci retracements or Gann fans, to spot potential price patterns. Don't forget to set precise price alerts to notify you of significant market shifts, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Personalizing your TradingView experience is key to efficiency. Save distinct chart layouts for various trading strategies, allowing for quick switching between analyses. For advanced users, explore Pine Script to develop and backtest your own custom indicators. Organize your watch lists into logical categories, such as growth stocks or forex majors, for streamlined monitoring. Master essential hotkeys to navigate charts and execute actions with lightning-fast speed, saving you valuable seconds. TradingView is also a vibrant community hub. Share your unique chart ideas and analyses with millions of other traders, receiving valuable feedback. Explore a vast library of published ideas from experienced professionals, gaining new perspectives and strategies. Engage in lively discussions within public chats and forums, learning directly from experts and peers. Stay informed with integrated real-time news feeds and comprehensive economic calendars, ensuring you're always aware of market-moving events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.